and welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery video. Today I'd like to show you a very awesome strumming pattern I picked up from Irish guitar players. The strumming pattern I'd like to show you today is the way Irish guitar players mostly play eighth triplets. There's an issue on the guitar when it comes to alternate picking or alternate strumming. As long as you pick one string, you can train to let the downstroke sound equal to the upstroke. But at the moment when you start to hit at least two strings, it's not possible to let the downstroke sound equal to the upstroke. It doesn't matter how fast you pick, the first string in your direction is always sounding first. It's always one after each other. It's always that. And I can train to let it be as short as possible, but it's not the same as picking them both at the same time. A stroke is always sounding different, and the upstroke is always sounding different from the downstroke. You will always hear the difference, but this time we take it as our advantage to change the groove. There are different possibilities to play triplet eighth. You can play them all by downstrokes. But when it comes to higher tempos, you're probably gonna change to alternate strumming. And what the Irish do is down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. It's like that. And because downstrokes sound different than upstrokes, you get a shuffle groove feel in your pattern. Alternate strumming. The Irish way. There's that. If we would get rid of those upstrokes, what stays is a shuffle groove. And you can hear that while playing all eighth triplets. That's really cool. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I think that grooves like hell. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.